Hey everyone, it's Malcolm, and welcome to the very first daily data drop. It's one thing to say big data, but what does big data really mean? Well, by the end of the year 2025, we're expected to have up to 181 zettabytes of data total. And the crazy thing is, every day we get a little bit closer, generating around 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every single day. And what's even crazier is 90% of all of the data that has been created has been in the past 2 years. And as you likely expect, one of the biggest contributors to all of this data we're generating is generative AI. And a lot of that content is posted on social media, which raises the volume of data on the cloud. And while we are on the topic, people have to go somewhere in order to access these AI models. So the top chatbot websites generate around 5 billion views every single month, which is not surprising when you hear that the current AI market is valued around $400 billion and is expected to reach 1.8 trillion by the year 2030, with around a 36% growth every single year. Anyway, that's it for today's daily data drop, the very first one. If you liked it, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you tomorrow.